So it's really great if we can make React Router handle both server-side routing and client-side routing. And the answer is you can. That does work. So let's go ahead and go do that. So there's a couple things that we're going to have to do first. So open your app.jsx. The thing that we have here on the outside is browser router, right? As it might imply by the name, browser router depends on a browser, right? And if we try and run browser router in Node, Node doesn't have document, it doesn't have window, it doesn't have all these things. So if you try and run browser router in Node, it's going to fail. So in other words, this is going to be a client-side concern, so we're going to have to move it to client app, right? So go ahead and take out browser router. And so provider is the top level component, and that's fine. Redux works both in Node and in the browser. Get rid of browser router up here, and then go up to client app.jsx. And what you're going to do here is you're just going to import browser router from react-router-dom. Okay? And then you're just going to surround app with browser router. And that's it. Put that on multiple lines if that makes you feel better. Like that. So now browser router is only going to be rendered on the client. That frees us up on the Node side to use a different kind of router, which is going to be, I think, is it the static router? Something like that. We'll figure it out. Okay. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to open your index.html, which we haven't edited for a long time. What we want to do here is we want to edit this so that the template this is going to be used as the template as well. And there is 10 billion ways to do the template here. I'm not actually super concerned of how you choose to do the templating, right? We need to use this and we need to insert markup into this, right, in order for this to work. I'm going to use Lodash templating just because it's really simple. But again, you could use handlebars. You could just write template strings yourself. Like, there's a million ways to do it, and it's really not important. So Lodash templates are really easy. I'm just going to say this, which is going to be angle bracket % equals. I'm going to put body here, and then I'm going to hit % and closing angle bracket. And this is just going to say, whenever I go to render this template, this is going to put body in there, right? You can actually use React itself to do templating here. That's fine as well. It's just a little bit more work than I care to do right now.